Hello learners, happy to come your way once more. Today we have mathematics. We'll be looking at data collection, what we started in our previous lesson. Today we'll still continue with that same activity. But what we will be doing, we will be learning how to draw block graph. We'll be learning how to draw block graph. Now the information has been given to us for us to draw our own block graph. How will you go about it? Look at the information. Now we are learning to draw block graph, as I said earlier on. This is the data given to us, or the information given to us. We have letters A, B, C, D, E. We have tally. You know about tally. We learned about tally in our previous lesson. Now let's also look at the number of items by writing the tally in figure form. This is 3 in figure, this in this form, 2 in this form, 7 in this form, 9 in this form. And we are asked to draw graph for the above information. We are asked to draw graph for the above information. Let's quickly start our work. Now, what you'll be doing is your letters will be down and the number of items here will be on your vertical line. Your vertical line here. Make sure you label or indicate every activity you'll be doing. Your numbers, the number of items, and then the letters. This is my line drawn. Let's quickly draw the first one is A, 3. First I have to indicate or demarcate these ones. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other one should be this. You mark it nicely. Then this will be A, B, C, D, E. This you have to write under these letters. And then number of items. Number of items. All right, let's continue. Now we come back to this same information chart. We have A. A is how many number of items? 3. So let's quickly draw that. This is A. So we are drawing A up to this level. So let's draw. This is A. You use your ruler nicely to underline. Now let's move on. B. What is B? B is 5. B is 5. So continue like this. This is B. This has exceeded the 5, but now you come back to this, you trace it to the 5. The C is 2. This is 2. So C, you trace to 2. This is 2. I'm tracing to get my 2, so this is 2. So you clean this one, it's more than 5. Then the next one is 7, which is D. Your D. My D is 7. So I have to extend my line up. Look at this. My line should go. Okay. Because this one exceeds 2, you have to extend this line 2 as well. Then you trace from here. Have you seen it? So the next one is 9. The last one is 9. The last one is 9. 9. E. 9. Let's continue. You draw your 9. That is your 9. Trace your 9. Look at it carefully. Look at it. This is what? 9. So you clean the excess lines. You clean the excess line. Okay, this is what we are asked to do. Now, let's look at the second example. This is example 2. Look at it. We are given shapes and quantities. Shapes and quantities. Shapes and quantities. And we are asked to what? Draw this on a block graph. Draw this on a block graph. This is circle, which is 6, square 3, triangle 5, rectangle 3, kite is what? 1. So let's quickly draw that. I told you earlier on, look at it. Number of items on the vertical line, if letters on the horizontal line. But this one is shapes to what? Quantities. So let's quickly represent that. So our quantities will be on this line, and our shapes will be on this line. Quickly mark. Now look at this. The highest number here is what? 6. So I'll start from, this is always 0. Where the line made is the origin. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where the vertical and then the horizontal line meet, this is what? The origin, or 0. Do you get it? Let's continue with this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to mark over the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. When you finish, make sure you write the name. The first one is circle. The second one is square. So let's write them. Circle. Circle. Square. The other one is triangle. Circle, square, triangle. Rectangle. And then the last one is kite. All right. Make sure you write under this shapes. These are all shapes. And these are all quantities. So you have to write your quantity over here. All right. So let's write our quantities over here. Quantities, then shapes. All right, this is our vertical line, this is our horizontal line. Where they meet is the origin 0. Where they meet is what? The origin 0. All right, now let's try to represent our information now. We have what? Circle. The first one is circle to be what? 6. So this is 6. So we are tracing from circle to 6. Then you draw your line. Nicely. All right. Square. Square. Look at it carefully. Look at it well. Look at it well. Square. 3. So let's draw. This is square. So you draw. The next one is what? Triangle. Triangle, which is 5. Triangle is 5. Triangle is 5. So trace your 5 here. Then you come to this side, you extend this line also up. Alright, the next one is rectangle, which is 3. This is 3. This is 3. The last one is what? 1. So you trace 1. This is 1. You use your ruler. You put your ruler like this. You trace it nicely. Alright, this is all that we are asked to do. If you have done it well, you have to get something like, or a shape like this. Keep practicing. Let me know your difficulties. Bye-bye.